Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on indices for key stage 3 students, especially for year 7 and year 8 students, as we are not focusing on negative indices or fractional indices. So basically it is for year 7 and 8 students. Here are 2 QR codes. You can scan it to watch more videos. In the last video, we saw in detail the 4 laws of indices, as indices applied only on multiplication and division. So now we will solve in this video questions for practice, and then at the end it will be your test for understanding, right? So link of the previous video you will find in the description below, so you can watch it again or watch it if you have not seen it earlier. Okay, so here if I see in case number 1, bases are same, so I will add the power first. When there is no power, it is 1. So m power 9 plus 1 is 10. And now bases are same, there is division. So powers will be subtracted. And we have seen it is 10 minus 5. Right. Let's see in case number 2. Numbers will just multiply the way we do. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we will focus on A. Base is same, powers is different. Power is 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we will focus on C. C has power 3 here and no power mean it is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. In this case, it is a case of power law. So 2 has no power, it means it is 1 here. The common mistake which is made by students, they write 2 as it is. No, you will multiply 3 power 1 is 3. So 2 power 3 and m is 4 power 3 is 12. Mostly when you simplify, you know 2 power 3 is 8 because 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So we do not leave it like this. We have to write here 8 times m power 12. That you will write. Similarly, in this case, like I said, law of indices applied only on multiplication and division. So numbers you will just divide the way you do. 2 times 5 is 10. So it is 5. Now if you see m, there is division sign, right? This is a division sign. So base is same for m, power is different. So what I will do? 5 minus 2. The power of m I will subtract. For n, there is no power, it means it is 1. Same law of division. N power 4 minus 1. So finally you will get what? M power 3 and n power 3. Sorry. Okay. And if you want to, I mean this is perfect form, but if somebody writes it like this, m n power 3, then it is also right, because we have seen when bases are different and power is same, it can be written like this. Okay. Now this case number 4. So when there is no coefficient in this case, it means it is 1 here. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now let's look at x. Let me delete this. Okay, if I see x, this x and this x, because there is multiplication sign in between. So base is same, powers of x will add up. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now let's see y. The power of y is 3 and there it is 1. As we cannot see, it is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. I hope you understood. Now this is a case of division, right? So 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, so this is fine. Now if you see here for E, it has power 6 and there is no power, it means it is 1. So E power 6 minus 1. Similarly for F, 8 minus 2. Because it is division, so we are subtracting. And I told you last time in the video, when it is e power 6 and e power 1, it is e power 6 minus 1. If somebody wants to do 1 minus 6, then it will become like this. But that I will explain later. It is for class 9, not for class 7 and 8. Okay. Now you can try this quickly. It is like a game and I will solve here with you. Okay, so this box means you will multiply this p and this p. This box means, so this is a symbol of multiplication, that's why we are multiplying. this number multiply by this number. So you understand the rule of the game. So let's start. Okay. Okay, so p times p is p square. Then p times 2pq. What does it mean? If you find it difficult to do it mentally, you can write it like this. Okay, so it will be base is same, no power mean it is 1, so it is 2p square q. Then the last case, p will multiply by 3p square. Again, if you can't do mentally, initially you can write it like this. It will be easy for you. 3p power 3, because base is same, powers will add up. Now in this box, this will go 1 by 1. So now 3pq multiply by p, because I want to write in this box. So on the top it is p and here it is 3pq. So this is what I will multiply. So it will be what? 3p square q. Now next box is 3pq multiply by 2pq. So it will be 3 2 is 6 p square q square. And the last box is 3pq times 3p square. So it will be 9p power 3, because it is 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3 and q will come as it is. So now last one I'm doing faster and you can write it there. So 2 2s are 4, p as it is, q square, because q has, was it written q square? Oh yes, initially it was written q square, sorry. So I should write here square and I should write here power 3. Okay, and the last one is 3 2s are 6, p square q square. So I hope you understood. Question is same, the way it is asked, the way the question is presented is different. So you will not get confused and say, oh my god, this type of thing I have never done. There is, in maths there is no such thing this type, it's all concept, right? So after this I will end this video. I will show you few questions for your test for understanding, and you can put the video on pause and try it, and I will show you the answer. Let's do this quickly. Match. So the way is, first pick up first one. It is division, powers will subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, so where it is? Here, right? Like this you will do. Now it is multiplication case, powers will add. 7 plus 3 8. Where is it written? It's not written here, so something is wrong. Hold on, let's see number 3. Powers will multiply. 8 2s are 16, so this will go here, right? Now the last case, oh my mistake, 7 plus 3 is 10 now. I think I should stop this video now. I cannot do plus minus. 7 plus 3 is 10, so it is here. Okay, and in this last case, 7 plus 6 minus 4, because it is a case of division. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So done. Okay, so now these are the questions I prepared, because the students especially requested, hey miss, when you finish your video, show us some question which we can practice to check our understanding. So you can put the video on pause, try these questions, and I'm going to show you the answers of these. Okay. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any query, you can write in the comments. I'll explain it. So take care.